channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this account is prohibited from accessing this experience error code 600. So guys, if you're getting this error on Roblox, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this issue. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting. Now let me tell you that make sure that you're properly connected with internet. If you're connected with any of the VPN, disconnect with the VPN. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings again, then scroll it down, then tap on general. If you have problem with your device, then you can fix this issue by following these methods. From here you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting. In case of Android phone, you can clear the cache or storage of your Android phone, and then close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to restart your device, and after that guys, uninstall the Roblox app and then reinstall it again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and locate for the Roblox app. So let me search for the Roblox app. Here it is guys. From here guys, you have to offload the app and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then close this page. So guys, if your problem is there guys, then it means you have been blocked from the game creator. Okay guys, if you have blocked from the game creator, then you can fix this issue by requesting that creator that he has to unblock you. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.